Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Karim. I'm Karim and I'm very happy to see you again. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, let's talk about something that almost everyone uses every single day. Social media. Let me ask you a few simple questions. How many times do you check your phone every day? How many hours do you spend on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube? And here's the biggest question. Are social media really making us happier, or are they slowly making us feel more lonely?
That's a very interesting question, Karim. Today, billions of people use social media every day. We watch videos, chat with friends, learn new skills, share photos, and discover what's happening around the world. Some people say social media changed their lives for the better. They found new jobs, started successful businesses, learned languages, and even met amazing people online.
That's true, Sarah. Social media have opened many doors for people. They help us learn faster, communicate with anyone in the world, and even build our own careers from home. But there's another side that many people don't talk about. Some people spend hours scrolling through their phones without realizing how much time has passed. They compare their lives with others and sometimes begin to feel that everyone else is happier, richer, or more successful.
Exactly. We usually see beautiful photos, expensive cars, luxury vacations, and perfect lifestyles online, but we rarely see the difficult moments, the failures, or the problems people face in real life. That's why social media can sometimes create an illusion that everyone has a perfect life.
So, what is the truth? Can social media help us become smarter, happier, and more successful? Or are they making us more stressed, distracted, and lonely without us even noticing?
Today, we're going to explore both sides of this important topic. We'll discuss the advantages, the disadvantages, and how we can use social media in a healthy and positive way.
Stay with us until the end because this conversation might completely change the way you think about social media and how you use it every day.
Don't forget to subscribe to English with Karim, follow us on TikTok, English with Karim, and like our Facebook page, Learn English with Karim, for more English conversations, useful vocabulary, and speaking practice.
Now, let's get started. Karim, I believe social media have completely changed the world. 20 years ago, people couldn't imagine talking to someone on the other side of the world in just a few seconds. Today, with a smartphone and an internet connection, we can communicate, learn, work, and even build businesses from anywhere in the world.
That's absolutely true, Karim. Social media have brought people closer together. Students can learn new subjects, teachers can share lessons, businesses can promote their products, and content creators can inspire millions of people every day.
Exactly. Many successful YouTubers, TikTok creators, and entrepreneurs started with nothing more than a phone and a dream. Social media gave them a chance to share their talents with the world.
I agree. Platforms like YouTube can teach us almost anything. We can learn English, cooking, photography, programming, graphic design, and many other useful skills without leaving our homes.
That's one of the reasons I love creating English conversations. If even one person improves their English because of our videos, then we've made a positive difference.
And that's what social media should be about, sharing knowledge, helping others, and creating something valuable.
However, not everyone uses social media in a positive way. Some people spend 5, 6, or even 10 hours every day scrolling through short videos without learning anything useful.
Yes, and after spending so much time online, they often feel tired, distracted, and unproductive. They planned to watch one video, but suddenly 2 or 3 hours have passed.
Another big problem is comparison. Every day we see people traveling, buying expensive cars, wearing beautiful clothes, eating in luxury restaurants, and living what looks like a perfect life.
But we have to remember something very important. Social media usually show highlights, not reality. Most people don't post their failures, their stress, their financial problems, or the difficult moments they experience in real life.
Exactly. That's why comparing your everyday life to someone else's best moments is unfair. everyone faces challenges, even if they never show them online.
That's why we should never judge our own success by what we see on social media. Your journey is different from everyone else's, and that's perfectly okay.
I also think social media affect our relationships. Sometimes families sit together in the same room, but everyone is looking at their own phone instead of talking to each other.
Sadly, that's becoming very common. Technology should help us connect with people, not separate us from the people sitting right next to us.
So, what can we do to use social media in a healthier way?
First, we should limit our screen time. Second, follow people who educate and inspire us. Third, take regular breaks and spend more time with family, friends, and outdoor activities.
I completely agree. We should also use social media to improve ourselves. For example, we can watch English lessons, listen to educational podcasts, read useful articles, and practice new skills every day.
Exactly. Imagine spending just 30 minutes every day learning English instead of scrolling through random videos. After 1 year, your English could improve dramatically.
Social media are like a powerful tool. A tool can build something beautiful, or it can waste our time. The choice is always ours.
That's why successful people don't just consume content, they create content, learn from it, and use it to improve their lives.
So, are social media making us happier or more lonely? I think the answer depends on how we use them. If we use them wisely, they can help us learn, grow, connect with amazing people, and achieve our dreams. But if we let them control our lives, they can steal our time, reduce our confidence, and make us feel isolated.
I couldn't agree more. Social media are neither good nor bad by themselves. They simply reflect the choices we make every day. Let's choose to use them for learning, sharing kindness, and building a better future.
Today's discussion showed us that social media are neither completely good nor completely bad. They can help us learn, communicate, grow our businesses, and connect with people from all around the world.
That's right, Karim. Social media are simply tools. The most important thing is how we choose to use them. If we use them wisely, they can improve our lives. If we spend too much time on them without a purpose, they can have a negative impact on our happiness.
I believe we should focus on creating memories in real life, spending time with our families, talking to our friends face to face, and using social media to learn something new every day instead of scrolling for hours.
Exactly. Remember, your real life is much more important than your online life. Likes, followers, and views don't define your value. Your kindness, your dreams, your hard work, and the way you treat others are what truly matter.
So don't let social media control your life. Instead, let them become a tool to improve your English, learn new skills, discover new opportunities, and become the best version of yourself.
Always remember this: the happiest people are not the ones who spend the most time online, but those who know how to balance their digital life with their real life.
Now, it's your turn. Do you think social media make people happier, or do they make people feel more lonely? Why?
Write your opinion in the comments below. We'd love to read your thoughts and continue the discussion with you.
If you enjoyed today's English conversation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Karim, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
Also, follow us on TikTok, English with Karim, and like our Facebook page, Learn English with Karim, for more English conversations, useful vocabulary, and speaking practice.
Keep learning English, keep improving yourself, and remember, every day is a new opportunity to become a better version of yourself.
Thank you so much for watching. Stay positive, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode of English with Karim. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.